So it is. See the time. 119, 2,497 steps. Creek trail.
It's already muddy. Can hear water running.
Good work.
Claire's found a rushing river and bravely forged right through it.
Pushing through to the very end.
Easton, are you the reason I'm hearing crashing sounds in the woods?
Oh boy. Like so. Easton,
Some bear's gonna get whacked in the head with a rock and be like, ow.
tell me this is our right turn.
Is it?
Yes.
Let me check your leg.
Doesn't look much flatter.
Make sure this isn't a tick. That's a scab.
Where are they? Hold on. They're still coming. You said snake. Oh, Mom, it's a snake. Green snake.
Oh, nice. You videoing it?
Yeah.
It's a rough green snake.
What's that?
It's venomous, Claire.
Easton, what'd you find?
Caterpillar.
But
It's a venomous caterpillar.
not eating it or
What's his
eating
name?
you.
No clue.
No clue?
Can I spray it?
No. They don't like rain.
Where? Whoops. I thought you were the caterpillar. Why are you blowing?
Gnats. Swarming by my sunglasses.
Easton, is this about the length of hike you did at Brethren Woods this year?
Huh? I don't know.
You don't know?
It was way shorter.
Oh.
Not even a quarter
Tell
of
me
it.
I'm going to take you on a real hike next year.
Way shorter with way more ticks?
It wasn't even a quarter
You
of
take
this.
us away from these short hikes with ticks up there.
It wasn't even a quarter of this.
Following Easton through the jungle. Him and his weird stick. It's a lot of not ripe yet blueberries on these trails that we're wishing we could be eating. We'll fight the bears for them.
What if blueberries were venomous? They could bite you.
That's pretty.
Eat them and they won't poison you.
I don't know. Easton is a squirrel or a chipmunk. And I'm trying not to step on a rattlesnake. Ryan's making funny noises. 9 or 10 snakes in here? Mm-hmm.
Mom, what are you saying about watermelon?
It's in the car.
Huh?
I was joking, Claire. Don't you know you'd have watermelon in your backpack? Wouldn't have you have felt that?
Let's see if anybody scratched now from the old lineup.
I did not check my fantasy lineup. It's okay.
You have somebody scratch.
Well, there's nothing to eat then.
So you can share that, like Mom said, Easton has to share that sandwich. You gotta split it, Easton.
I don't
3 ways.
like peanut butter and jelly.
Split it with Mom then.
No grocery stores up here.
Mom, you...
So when the other hike that we were looking at, possibly, it is truly a 360-degree view if you go up that last chute.
Mm-hmm.
Stuff eating inside might work too.
I don't know which one I like better. They're both neat. I've only done that twice.
Well, the kids ate my sandwich.
The one there was mine. I didn't even like it, but I was hungry.
Mm-hmm. Easton, what kind of sandwiches will you eat next year for lunches?
Peanut butter and pickle. No.
And peanut butter and jelly? And peanut butter and banana?
No. Never mind.
You guys headed down?
No, we're going to close. Actually, I mean, we're heading down. Not down.
That way is looking toward our house.
Dad, can you relax? We're heading back up.
We'll see you at the car.
We're en route.
I don't know who's there.
Whoever it was that set up this hike that Mom wants to meet up with.
Alright, we're getting ready to have our last looks and then get back down these rocks.
Mom, come over around the tree.
Claire's mapped it out for me. This is going to be the true test of the knees. Ah! The very first rock I stepped on was wobbly. My knees.
Let me show you another wobbly one.
Agree. The one that was flat and most stable of all.
It's not one I came up on the way up.
Dad, you're actually sinking 2 rocks by doing that?
Yeah. Careful.
It would be hard to find a trail once we get down because no clue where we're going to come from.
We know it. Slightly left where we were.
This one's sort of shaky too.
Okay. I think time to put this away.
I finally have hold of this GoPro. Easton's hanging from a tree like a monkey.
Both of those rocks are starting to fall.
Carrie and Claire are ready to ski-daddle on down this hill.
Come on, trying to protect my camera. Both of those rocks are about to fall.
On the way down, the old
And I'm going to pass him.
rock scramble.
Blueberries again.
Careful guys, I hear some shifty rocks over here.
Yeah, you're the one that's making them.
I didn't think I could get down that.
And now the rock scramble, for real this time, not hidden behind a bush. Back up to the overlook over there. Might even be able to hear the horseflies buzzing around me. Here's Scramble's Easton. Gotta find the old hiking poles.
I'll try it.
Final few steps down the scramble.
I'm gonna do something. I'm coming back up for something that I didn't really need to do.
Good job, Carrie. As the wasp goes after you.
I wanted to do something.
Still there.
I came back up. I probably came back like from 200 feet.
On our way back, Little flat straightaway now. Easton found a tick crawling on his hand. Straight up for 4 o'clock p.m. Saturday, June the 4th. Enjoying a mud pit up ahead here, apparently. Watch your step. I hear a woodpecker. All right, hiking back through the prairie, kind of a meadow type here, where it's been burnt out with practically no undergrowth or vegetation. You can see for miles, at least around these weeds up here. Nice, gorgeous afternoon for a hike. There, see a little bit now. Stepping over some mountain lion prints here in the trail. Oh. Just trying to tough it out in the last stretch here.